Hey guys, welcome to my vlog. It's 10 a.m. p.m. and we're not yet sleepy. Tama ba?
Sige, tama na lang.
Kasama ko si Flony. Yeah. This is Flony at the age of, anong age mo?
16.
She's 16 and I am turning 23 in coming in, ba?
Ha? Ako. Lain na lang. Sa likod.
I'm turning 23 this coming May 20. Am I right?
Oh.
Yeah, we're speaking English only. Yeah, and we're going to watch this 10 years from now. Tama ba?
Okay.
Yeah, we're gonna upload this in YT in my YouTube. And it's so just...
Do you have a whitey?
Yes, I have YT. I'm just gonna change my name in YouTube because I don't know what name is that. What kind of name is that?
Huh?
Okay,
I get
guys,
it.
so she's 16 and I'm 23 in this.
Oh.
We are in
So-
2025 and we're gonna watch this video for about 10 years.
So, 2035.
So I'm going 30 in that 33. Huh.
And I'm going 26 in that time. So, we are 2 days apart.
2 days.
No. Like, our birthday are 2 days apart. Like,
What?
you're 20 and I'm 18.
Oh, really? That's great. We have the same.
We should celebrate together.
We're gonna, this, so many,
Our birthdays.
we are the champion. This is Flony Jade. Jade.
Yeah.
Tama ba? Jade. Flony.
Jade.
And I am May and Jade. Okay, guys. Okay, watch our videos.
Please kindly react.
Ayaw lang, guys. Ay, magtanaw man. Uy.
Pakaulo na.
Di siya private, but I don't post or I don't share my YT account so that no one can discover my YT, so that no one can watch my mga
Funny
kababalaghan. Yeah.
Or
Yeah, and this video I'm gonna post this video right now. Okay. So,
bye. Kindly subscribe.
ayaw gani.
Ayaw di ay.